Let's see what is the difference between process versus program. A process is a program that is running. A program is a collection of instructions written to do a task. A process is loaded into RAM while running. A program is stored on a disk. Multiple processes can run from the same program. One program can create many processes. A process exists only while it is running. A program remains on the computer until it is deleted. A process actively performs tasks. A program is passive and does not perform any action by itself. A process uses CPU time during execution. A program does not need CPU time until it is executed. A process can be in states such as ready, running, waiting, or terminated. A program does not have execution states. A process needs resources such as memory, CPU, and input or output devices. A program does not need system resources while stored. Example of process is a calculator application currently open and running. Example of program is a calculator application saved on a computer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.